Samsung has launched 7 new products into the digital world, and today we're going to be telling you more about them, starting with the Samsung Galaxy Flip 6. So, tell me, what makes the Flip 6 better than last year's Flip 5?
First of all, the Flip 6 has a larger display than the Flip 5. It also has a bigger battery. The Flip 5 has a 3700 mAh battery, while the Flip 6 has a bigger 4000 mAh battery. Also, the Flip 5 has a 12 megapixel main sensor, while the Flip 6 has a bigger 50 megapixel main sensor, meaning the pictures on the Flip 6 is far superior to that of the Flip 5. The Flip 6 is also powered by the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 processor, which makes it better for gaming and rendering videos. It also has a 12 GB of RAM, meaning it can open multiple windows at the same time. So, can you shed some light on the Galaxy Ring?
The Samsung Smart Ring is one of Samsung's first digital ring, and they made sure that it's unique and can actually stand the taste of the digital market by making sure that they made it exclusive to their Samsung users, such as the activity sensor, the sleep sensor, and the health sensor. So if you're sleeping and you want to make sure that, okay, I'm actually sleeping well or not, the Samsung Smart Ring can actually do that for you. And not to worry, it's lightweight, which means that unlike all other rings that are kind of heavy, you don't feel this kind of weight in your hands whenever you attach them to it, and it can last for 24 hours, 7 days. It also comes with a charging case, so you can keep it in your pockets while charging, and you can go wherever you want to with the Samsung Smart Ring. So moving over to the Fold 6, Samsung also made a Fold 5 last year. What makes this Fold 6 stand apart from the Fold 5?
Samsung made a new trend this period. They are making their new flagship models larger than the previous. Like the Fold 6 is far larger than the Fold 5. Well, I wouldn't say that large, but it's a significant increase in the display. The in-display, when the phone is opened up, is about 2600 nits, which is far brighter than last year's Fold 5, which is about 1750 nits. Both the cover display and the open display can go up to 2600 nits, and it has a 5000 mAh battery. It's also powered by the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 processor. As I've said before, it's a very powerful processor that can make games run smooth without lag, and also a 50 megapixel camera, which is better than last year's Fold 5 camera. So, can you shed some light on the Galaxy Watch 7?
Samsung made the Galaxy Watch 7 and the Galaxy Watch Ultra, making sure that theirs has to stand in the digital market. First of all, the Samsung Watch 7 was built with sensors. You can actually sleep, do your exercises like your push-up, your press-ups, whatever it is that you do to keep yourself fit, and also go for skiing, water diving. It's actually waterproof and can last for a very long time. The Ultra can last for 100 hours with your power saving mode, which makes it one of the best watch devices to actually use in the digital world. So Samsung made sure that also for their exclusive Samsung users, they had exclusive features meant for them. So if you're using a Samsung phone, you should be lucky, count yourself lucky enough to use the watch as well. So then again, Samsung also made earbuds, the Bud 3 and the Bud 3 Pro. Tell me, what makes it stand apart?
The Bud 3 is a better looking earbud than the last year's model. The Bud 3 has passive noise cancellation, meaning it can move the sounds from outside your music and make your music more clearer to the ear. It also acts as a two-way microphone, meaning you can talk through the AirPods and the other person can be hearing it clearly. While the Bud 3 Pro is just far better. It has active noise cancellation, meaning you can actually flip on the noise cancellation and turn it off at will. Meaning if you want to hear your surroundings and also listen to your music, if you are a multitasker, that's the AirPod Pro is for you. It also has IP68 water and dust resistance, meaning it can survive being dropped in water for up to 100 meters.
Talking about that, the Samsung Galaxy Watch also came with a rugged titanium pouch, which means it can also survive pressure and tamper. So for that, we have come to an end of the latest Samsung products. If you feel you have other devices or other things that Samsung could have included in their products, you can actually state it in the comment section. If you also have questions, we'll be willing to answer you if you drop them in the comment section. And that will be all for now. Catch you later.